you have an iPad, you will not just be able to automatically download fonts onto your iPad. There is some steps you have to take, so I was going to show you how to do that. So first thing, you want to find the font that you want to download. I'm on designbundles.net, and so I'm just going to pick one. So we'll go ahead and pick this one. And we're going to download it. Click download. And you do need a separate app to do this. So I use iFont. I already have this downloaded. So I'm going to open up iFont and go to Open Files. And then go to my downloads. And I'm going to pick the last one I just downloaded. Click Open. And then I want to install it. So tap Install. And you want to say Allow, Close, Open Settings, Profile over to the left, Profile Downloaded. And then you want to hit Install. You have to enter your passcode. Install, install, done. And now I will show you that that was actually downloaded. So I'm just going to close this to refresh it. Just open that up. Do some text here, and then go to my fonts and search. It was called Birthday. And here it is. There's your font.